Did you know you can tweak the ingredients of traditional brownies for massive hair growth ingredients and maintain the deliciousness, richness, and moisture? Well, if you want to know how I did it, then keep on watching.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be.
Hello, welcome to the channel. This is Trina Claver, your 4C hair transformation coach. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. So glad you're here. Well, we are continuing my birthday. My birthday is actually today. Today is April the 19th. I am 60 years old and I'm glad about it. Tomorrow is Resurrection Day, so happy Easter to each and every one of you. I'm gonna try to make this video go up tomorrow. That's the plan. But welcome to the playlist Recipe Transformation for Massive Hair Growth, and it's along with my ebook Diet Transformation for Massive Hair Growth, and the 60% is still available until the 30th of this month, so grab your copy. And thank you for those who've already gotten your copy, because on this channel we are growing hair naturally, right? Naturally, one recipe at a time and one bite at a time. So grab your copy, and you can choose between the ebook or the MP3 download that comes with an exclusive resource page to give you access to all the things, all the education that you need, and it just depends upon how you like to learn. So in today's recipe is one of my favorites. Besides the carrot cake, brownies are second in line. So I do a little research on these recipes before I actually launch them, just to find out what traditional ingredients I can change that would have more nutrient dense ingredients that not only support your overall health but your hair growth as well, because the majority of my subscribers are about my age, either you postmenopausal or perimenopausal, or you in menopause, or you postmenopause like myself. So, and as you grow older, making the right choices become more and more important. So, but it's still, we still got to enjoy life, right? We still got to have a little sweets in our life. So I think you will enjoy, if you like brownies like myself, I think you're going to enjoy this recipe. So we're going to jump right into the recipe. Check it out. I started this recipe by preparing the black beans. I'm using 15.5 ounces of organic black beans with sea salt. I simply rinse out all the juice to use in this recipe. Now, did you know black beans contribute major hair health benefits because they are rich in zinc, which is essential for hair growth and repair. Also iron, which is critical for carrying oxygen to your hair follicles, preventing iron deficiencies that could lead to hair loss. And also biotin, also known as B7. It plays a role in hair growth and maintenance, as well as folate, which is a B vitamin that supports cell growth and contribute to hair growth. Next, I prepared the garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas, by placing them in cold water to make it easier to remove the skin from the beans. This makes the batter a lot smoother. Now, when you place them in cold water, the skin separates quicker and rises to the top. I repeated this process twice to remove the skin from each bean. Now, did you also know that garbanzo beans have major hair benefits because they are rich in protein, which is crucial for building and repairing hair, and zinc, which promotes scalp health and hair strength, helping to prevent hair loss and breakage. Also iron, which improves blood circulation to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to your hair follicles. And they also contain antioxidants that protect hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Now, I added them to the blender along with 1.5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 cup of date syrup. Now, did you know dates also have tremendous hair growth benefits? Yes, ma'am. They are rich in iron, which also promotes blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair growth and reducing hair fall. They also contain vitamin B5, which helps strengthen the hair follicles, making hair more resistant to breakage. So I blend all these ingredients until they're completely liquid, and I set it aside to work on the dry ingredients. But before preparing the dry ingredients, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I greased two 6.5 by 8.5 baking pans with coconut oil. And remember to always use an oil with a high smoke point for cooking, like coconut oil, avocado oil, grass-fed butters, ghee butter, or beef tallow. Any other oil or fat used for cooking will cause inflammation, resulting in hair loss and other metabolic issues you do not want. Okay? Now for the dry ingredients, I also added a 1.5 cup of oat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now, did you know oat flour can be used instead of enriched or fortified flours that cause digestive issue, leading to malabsorption of nutrients and vitamins? Well, in addition, oat flour has major hair benefits because it's rich in protein, fiber, biotin, iron, and zinc, all of which play a major role in hair growth and your overall health. So it's time to make that switch. Now it's also time to blend the liquid mixture with the dry ingredients, and it smells so good already. I'm also adding 1 cup of roasted pecans. I roasted them for about 8 minutes at 350 degrees, and I'm also adding dark chocolate baking chips with 3 simple ingredients: cacao, organic unrefined coconut sugar, and organic cocoa butter. And check out this label, ladies, on this chip. You cannot get any cleaner than this when it comes to chocolate. Okay? And I'll put a link to this in the description box. Now it's time to bake the brownies, and I'm baking them for about 45 minutes on 350 degrees. So while they're baking, I'm preparing the frosting by adding a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, a 1/2 cup of date syrup, or you can use maple syrup, strictly your preference. And now just blend it all together, and look how thick and creamy it is. Now if you want yours a little less creamy, simply add a few more drops of coconut oil. Okay, the brownies are done and my kitchen smells delicious. I let them cool before adding the frosting. Then I divided them up into squares. Now look how beautiful they turned out, and oh my goodness, the smell is awesome. Okay, it is time to test this baby out, and I just want you to know that this brownie is so moist and it smells so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so good and it smells delicious. So I'm gonna break it just so you can see how moist it is. Look at that. Wow, I absolutely love it. There's nothing in here, no chemicals, nothing that will cause inflammation. And let's take the first bite and see what it's like. This is so good. I absolutely love this. Look how moist it is. It's soft And you cannot taste the beans. If I didn't tell you that beans were in this recipe, I swear to God, you wouldn't even know it. Can't taste the garbanzo, can't taste the black beans. All you taste is goodness. This is so good. So, of course, I'll have a downloadable copy for this recipe. If you like to do it, or you can watch the video and do it as I do it, you're gonna love this recipe. What I like most about it is that even though it's a dessert, it is full of nutrients and fiber, and protein, so it's gonna keep you satiated longer, meaning that you're eating less often, so you probably lose a little weight, plus growing your hair, so you get 2 for 1. So definitely let me know what your thoughts are. Leave a comment and let me know if this is one of your favorite recipes, if you would try it, or if you've done something like this, and what did you do to change it once you went on your hair journey and realizing that your diet is the key. So I would love to know that. And don't forget to get your copy of the Diet Transformation for Massive Hair Growth ebook by clicking the QR code, or you can click the link in the description box. And also definitely send me your recipe if you'd like to be a part of this playlist, and we can see if we can help you tweak your diet, because that's what we're doing on this channel. We are growing hair naturally, one recipe at a time and one bite at a time. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one. Be blessed and happy Easter.